me go back to this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, I'm really excited for you guys to be here. We're about to do something amazing and delicious. Today on this channel, we're doing sous vide baby back ribs. Yes, you heard me. We're going to introduce sous vide baby back ribs, and we're going to finish this off in the oven. Yeah, normally you probably see a smoker or something like that, but hey, I don't have a smoker. And maybe you have a sous vide machine and you want to try something interesting. This is the channel. This is the episode you want to watch. Stay tuned and let's get cooking. All right, we got our beautiful cutting board out, and then let's get these baby back ribs. I got them right here. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got some baby back ribs, right? They were on sale, by the way, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta see it. I saw it, I had to buy it. So now that we have this out, what we're going to do, we're going to cut these open. We're going to season the back. First, we want to take off the membrane. Season front and back. All right, so now that we got our ribs laid out and out of the bag, what we're going to do right now, we're going to remove the membrane. I'm going to use mustard as a binder. Let's go ahead and take care of that right now. So let's pat this dry, right, so I can get a better grip. We're going to go and hit it with some mustard. Let me tell you something. We're going to use a rub that I really enjoy. This is Rudy's barbecue rub. Probably seen it or heard about it, but definitely has amazing reviews on Amazon. But I was actually in Texas when I purchased this. Rudy's barbecue restaurant. It's delicious. Definitely try it out. I want to link this in the description below. We got one side. I'm going to lay it down like so. And we're going to get the other side. Now we got our vacuum sealer out, and here we have our baby back ribs. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and vacuum seal these guys. Just like that, super easy. Get yourself a vacuum sealer. I'm using a FoodSaver vacuum sealer. This has saved me so much money with all of my food, especially meat. I'm going to link this in the description below. Get yourself a vacuum sealer. This one has been a godsend for us. So check out the description below, click on it, buy yourself one. Now that we already have these vacuum sealed, it's time for the water bath. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so here are the baby back ribs in the sous vide bath. I have a Anova sous vide machine and water bath tub. So I got the whole setup. Again, I'm going to link this in the description. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is how it's going to go down. I want to see you guys in about 25 to 26 hours, and we're going to get this going. So what's interesting about these ribs is that they're literally falling off the bone. So I have to be really delicate handling these ribs, especially like placing them on the wire rack and putting them in the oven, because they were just falling apart at some point. Pieces of ribs are just falling into the cooking tray. Hey, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting very frequently. Keep a lookout for new videos all the time. These baby back ribs are literally falling off the bone, and I'm enjoying every single minute of it. Like, it's delicious. I love sous vide. I love the ability to pretty much set it and forget it, and then come back and finish everything off. These ribs had full flavor, a taste of seasoning. They held true to their name. They were savory. They were delicious. They were moist. They're falling off the bone. Like I said, this is my favorite. I love ribs that fall off the bone and pull apart easily. I have my family here, so everybody's loving it. My extended family as well. This was a good dish. It was a good experiment. Over 24 hours worth of sous vide. Highly recommend. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to make more videos like this. Keep looking out for me. Peace.